considering the general formula, 3 is our A and 2 is the N. Hence, these 2 will come down. The 3 and X will not move. And the 2 will minus 1 at the power. It must always be minus 1 according to the general rule. And your answer is 6x to the power of 1, which is 6x. And that is our answer, which is option A. This is calculus. These are recommended video topics in differentiation, and also some suggested video topics in integration, including their applications. To solve differentiation and integration problems efficiently, always remember these formulas and notations. Including pre-calculus video topics. To locate all these videos, follow the link on the screen. I will see you in the next video.